Say ready, Grandpa.
We'll just make sure nobody reads it.
You all done?
No.
No?
I'm ready.
Ready for what?
I'm ready.
What, you want more?
More.
Hi.
Okay.
Hello, Mrs. Turner.
Hi, Mr. Mole. It's just me, Franklin, and Stan.
Oh, sorry, boys. I've misplaced my glasses and can't see a thing. I wanted to check the board to see if there was anything exciting happening.
Your glasses are on your... Where did you see them last?
Let's see.